figured I'd walk home. And the view was so nice that I couldn't leave it. Because the view in this city at this time of year is gorgeous on these trails. And they are so peaceful, especially when there's no one else walking on them, but damn. Just love how much the trees cover the everything else. And the nice flowers that are blooming only just at the end of the season. I've got great music to go along with it. That's why if you're ever going out for a walk, it's great to carry a little speaker with you. Maybe a charger as well, that would be useful.